see. All right, you guys. So today we are at Carl's Jr. and I am trying their Beyond Meat. So I'm sure most of you guys, okay. And so it's a plant-based protein burger. This should be interesting. As you recall, I tried what do you call it? Fat Burger's Impossible Burger. Felt like I was eating air. And so this time I'm at Carl's Jr. and the total price was $6.99 plus tax of 55 cents for $7.24. Ooh la la. All right, let's check this burger out. Pioneers of the Great American Burger. I've been curious about this, how it tastes, and I hope it has good flavor. Apparently it's getting good reviews, but you know, I'll let my taste buds decide. All right, here we go. Check it out. I got mine with no cheese and no onion. Okay. And let's take a bite of this beautiful plant-based burger. First thing, a good amount of lettuce. Okay. Where's my tomato at? Skimpy on the tomato. Whoa. Very skimpy on the tomato. You can see that in the little red mark. All right. Only got a small bite of the Beyond Meat. Let's try again. Let's try this. All right. Here's the test, really. Take a piece of it. There's a bug in here. Take a piece of it. Hey. Take a piece of the meat and eat that by itself. Just so. It tastes like it almost tastes like, well, not really to me. It has no good flavor to it. I think it needs some seasoning. Okay, here we go. Another bite. It's okay, but there's no thrill. If you look at it, to me, it's kind of reddish. It looks like, well, not exactly, but a little bit like undercooked ground beef. Just a little bit. The flavor is just, you know, so. It doesn't grab me at all. And I think they have to get some more flavor in this thing, get it more closer to approximate beef, because at these prices, you know, you can go get cheap burgers somewhere else. And so this is like $7, right, by itself. And, you know, I think it's a good idea, but they gotta get the taste up a little higher. Just don't make it for me. That's right. Being it tastes like beef substitute. Now, nutritional value, that's different, right? But purely on taste. On the plus side, the Fat Burger was, I think, $10 for the burger by itself. For their Impossible Burger, well, $15 on the strip, $10 if you're at the off the strip, and this is $7 and I'm off the strip. So, you know, I don't know, you guys. These things are probably healthy. You know, what does it say? 20 grams of plant-based protein. You know, looks and cooks like beef. But see, they don't say it tastes like beef, because that would be like, up to your own taste buds. But oh well. It ain't bad, you know? Would I buy it again? I don't know. Like I said, I think get the flavor profile up with the getting it closer to approximate the beef taste. They will, you know, and the texture is just so for me. But then get that, and then drive the prices down, and make it this product more widely available in supermarkets. It'll be okay. And like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it. Hope you like it. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. Thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend, share this video around the world. Good day.